What's up YouTube? You're watching shoeDIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your Air Max 1s. So starting with the left shoe, we're going to take the lace down through the outside first hole. And when you bring your lace up, just bring it a little way into the shoe and then pass your lace across the front, flattening it out as you go, bringing the other end of the lace down through the inside first hole. Again, bring the lace a little way up into the shoe, and then to make sure that your laces are the same length, pull up and you'll find that they're even on both sides. So we're going to start with just loosening off that bar a little bit at the front, so we can set the tone for our loosely laced style. And we're going to start with our outside lace, bringing it across the shoe to the inside second hole. And as I bring the lace across, catch it on my finger, it will make sure that the lace is nice and loose, and you'll also have a little bit of a loop sitting above the eyelet too. So we're going to bring the inside lace across the shoe to the outside second hole, and as I go I'm always flattening out the lace to make sure it doesn't twist, and then again catch the lace on your finger and you'll flatten it out as well. Then we're going to keep that lace in our hand and we're going to come across the shoe to the inside third hole. And then the inside lace, just going to tighten it up a little bit. The inside lace is going to come across the shoe to the outside third hole. And then keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the fourth hole on the inside. And then the inside lace is going to come across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. I'm just going to stop for a minute, make sure that all the laces are overlapping nicely. Then we're going to take that lace across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. Going to make sure that's not twisted as it goes in there. And then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. And then take that across the shoe to the inside sixth hole. Then take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. Then take the outside lace round again down through the top hole. And then the inside lace comes across to the outside top hole. And then we keep the outside lace in our hands and on that side. We're going to bring it out through the extra hole here, extra eyelet that sits above the top one. So take the lace out a little bit. The loop goes down the side of the tongue. And we do the same on the inside, keep the inside lace on its own side, and then we're going to bring it in through this second hole from the top. Make sure that your two laces are matching, and again you take that loop down the side of the tongue, and then when you're wearing the shoe, your foot will keep those two loops in place. Just make sure that all your loops are the same, just adjust them. Make sure that they are nice and even as you make your way up the shoe. And there you have the left one of your Air Max 1. So let's move along to the right shoe. So with the right shoe we start with the outside first hole. Bring your lace a little way up into the shoe. I always start with the outside lace on both shoes. It just means that they mirror each other and you get a tidier looking style. So then we're going to take the lace across the front, down through the inside first hole, pull up through the shoe to to make sure that your laces are nice and even. And then you take out any of those twists at the front by taking the lace out a little bit and bringing it down back through into the shoe. So I'm just going to loosen that off to match the other one. And then we're going to start off with the outside lace coming across the shoe to the inside second hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe and bring it down through the outside second hole. So all the time I'm straightening out the lace to try and make sure it doesn't twist. And then keeping that lace in your hand, we're going to come across the shoe and bring it down through the inside third hole. If it does twist, you can just turn it around on your finger before you bring it down through the hole. And then take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside third hole. And keep that lace in your hand and bring it across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. And take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. I'm just going to check that all the laces are overlapping as they come up through the shoe and that they're all even. And we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside next hole. And then the inside lace across the shoe to the outside next hole. And keeping that lace in your hand, bring it across the shoe to the inside sixth hole. And take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. And then take the outside lace across the shoe to the top inside hole. And then the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside top hole. And then just check all the laces are sitting nicely on top of each other. And then we're going to take the outside lace and again we're going to bring it through the hole just under the top eyelet. So thread it back through into that new hole and then make sure you've got the same lace to match your other shoe. Taking the loop, putting it down through the side of the tongue and then take the inside lace, do the same, thread it through that extra hole that you get below the top one and take the lace down the side of the tongue. Just check that all your loops are sitting nice and evenly as you go up the shoe. And there you have your right and your left Air Max 1 all loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.